So here's why passwords get hacked so often. For a server to verify someone has the right password, it has to store everyone's passwords in a password file. The trouble is, all a hacker has to do to breach the system is break into one location and steal that file. It's a single point of compromise, and it has got to go. So here's a neat idea. Let's kill the password. Let's try something new. Introducing M-Pin, the single smartest way to sign in. M-Pin uses a cryptographic authentication key that's unique to each user. The system that makes the key is called the Distributed Trust Authority. To avoid having a single point of compromise, it's made up of two nodes that live separately and operate independently. Here's how it works. When you sign up for a service that uses M-Pin, the Distributed Trust Authority issues two halves of a key that's unique to you. Then that key gets split into two new, easier-to-use pieces. The first piece becomes a PIN, something you know, and the second piece becomes a token in your browser or app, something you have. To sign in, all you have to do is type your PIN into your browser and M-Pin reassembles your key. But here's the best part. With M-Pin, you can prove to your server that you have your key without ever revealing your key to that server, which means you never have to store your key on that server. So even if a hacker got in, there'd be nothing to steal. Because your authentication credentials are never stored, your key is never revealed, and your system no longer has a single point of compromise. These innovations mean a lot of great things become possible. Cloud-based authentication becomes incredibly secure, mobile authentication becomes incredibly simple, and two-factor authentication becomes as easy to scale as software. So you don't need to pay for extra hardware. Make no mistake, this is big. For the first time, more security means more convenience. Because the single most secure way to sign in is as easy to use as this. M-Pin from Certivox. Zero password authentication. So secure, it's simple.